Okay guys, so the Cordoba LS, we're gonna load it up and send it to a body shop, or I should say we're gonna send it to a guy who does body work. He doesn't really run a shop. It's just one of those deals where he does body work in his backyard and shop in his backyard. So I've been referred to him by several people who say he does real good work. So we're gonna send the car to him to have the floor pans put in for the rear back here. As you can see, they're pretty spiritual. One on that side over there too. So let me see if we can get this thing started. I imagine the battery's dead, but let me set you up on the tripod and let's see if we can get it started. All right, they had all kind of parts in the back, the trunk. Previous owner was going to rebuild the brakes in the car. So when I carry it to the body shop, I may have the guy. I got the lines. Can't get this one here to hook up. I don't know if it's stripped or damaged or what. So I'm gonna probably pay him to do that too. One of these I couldn't get hooked up. Can't remember which one. One of them went on that, no problem. The other one, not so much. But I'll have him look that over also. All right, it turned over pretty good. So let me run and get some starting fluid so I can give her a little whisk, and then I'll get you set back up on the tripod. We'll see if it fires up. All right, guys, it's on there. It's in park, and emergency brake is down. It's right. It just started raining, so I got to get this camera out of the rain. So we're good right there. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. And I may put one strap on the rear end just to make sure. I'll be back when we finish and head out to where we're headed. All right, folks, we got the Cordoba in tow. We're headed to the new guy's place, a guy named Joe. We videoed his drag car on the channel, Mr. Quick, the 65 Corvette, red, white, blue 65 Corvette. So we're taking it to his shop. He's gonna put the floor pans in it for me. And we're up there fueling up. And I hate these gas pumps that had the commercials running. I really hate that. Anyway, I'll update you when we get there. Oh yeah, I got two. Need another one? Hold on a second. All right, folks, Bob here, over here at Joe's Steel's shop. We dropped off the Cordoba, and he's gonna put the floor pans in for me and do a little brake work on it. And we'll pick it up probably in a few hours. More. So anyhow, Costs more if I want to wait on it, huh? So we'll get you an update as things go along, and of course when we come back and pick it up or whatever. And I'm trying to sell it to them too, so you never know. All right, folks. Until the next part of the video.